Understanding what your plants require via light makes all the difference. It's time for this week's Michigan Garden Moment.
This Michigan Garden Moment is brought to you by migardener.com. With over 450 varieties of heirloom and organic flowers, vegetables, and herb seeds, all for 99 cents a pack. Find out more at migardener.com.
There's numbers of varieties of vegetables and fruits in which you can plant in your garden, but knowing exactly where to plant them can be the difference between a great harvest or a disappointment by the end of the season. There are a number of crops that you can plant in your garden that can grow in partial shade. Partial shade, a good guideline, is direct light of 4 to 6 hours during the day. Crops such as beets, Brussels sprouts, carrots, cauliflower, celery, garlic, horseradish, kale, asparagus, radishes, rhubarb, potatoes, parsnips, bush beans, and pole beans, just to name a few. Now, these plants will all do phenomenal in full sun, but they also will produce in partial shade. There's a saying, if you're going to grow it for the root or the fruit, you need full sun. If you're going to grow it for the leaves or the greens, you need partial shade, or they'll grow in partial shade. That's somewhat true. These plants will produce in partial shade, and the varieties of many other ones available, but in full sun they will work. But this means that you can have a garden even if you have some shade in the backyard or the front yard. These also, many of them, will work in containers as well. So just because you have partial shade in your backyard or front yard doesn't mean you can't garden. There's a variety of vegetables and fruits that will be very productive even with partial shade sunlight in your garden.
This Michigan Garden Moment is brought to you by migardener.com. With over 450 varieties of heirloom and organic flowers, vegetables, and herb seeds, all for 99 cents a pack. Find out more at migardener.com.